Hey there! We all know that in today's corporate world, managers face a wide range of challenges, from overseeing teams to driving strategic initiatives, and so need a unique blend of skills and knowledge, which isn't very easy to develop. As such, how can we use today's digital learning in various formats to empower our managers? Let's learn with 3 examples today. 1. For onboarding new managers, you can use a blended learning program that combines online modules covering company policies with in-person mentorship sessions and microlearning videos of key concepts. 2. For developing their communication skills, you can use a virtual reality simulation that allows them to practice their skills in a safe environment or a social learning platform that facilitates discussions on effective communication strategies and provides opportunities for peer feedback. 3. To enhance their decision-making abilities, you could present them with microlearning case studies or offer a personalized learning path of various resources and activities that align with their individual specific needs. As we end, remember that investing in your managers is the same as investing in the future of your organization, so be careful and equip them with the skills they need. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching.